In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attempt getting your Amazon account reinstated if it has been placed on hold. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, having your Amazon account on hold can be frustrating and disruptive. So let's walk through the common reasons why this might happen and some steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. First, it's important to understand why Amazon might put your account on hold. There are several common reasons for this. It could be payment issues, such as a declined card or a billing address mismatch that doesn't align with your bank's records. Another possibility is that Amazon has flagged your account for suspicious or unusual activity. Sometimes, they might need additional verification of your identity, requiring you to submit documents. If you're a seller, policy violations or performance issues may also be responsible for the hold. Now, let's go through the steps you can take to try and get your Amazon account off hold. The first thing you should do is check your email or Amazon notifications. Typically, Amazon will send you a message explaining why your account has been put on hold. Look for any emails with subjects like "account on hold" or "account restriction." Don't forget to check your spam folder, just in case the email landed there. Next, try logging into your Amazon account to see if there are any notices or messages about your account status. Often, Amazon will provide prompts to help you resolve the issue directly when you sign in. If the hold is related to a payment problem, you'll need to update your payment method and billing information. Make sure your credit card is valid and that your billing address matches what the bank has on file. If Amazon has requested documentation for identity verification or asked you to confirm specific transactions, be sure to provide the necessary documents promptly. This could include things like a copy of your ID or proof of address. Submitting these documents accurately and swiftly is crucial to resolving the hold. Reaching out to Amazon's support is also a helpful step. For buyer accounts, you can go to Help and then Contact Us. For seller accounts, use Seller Support. Make sure to clearly explain your situation, and if you're a seller, submitting a plan of action can be very effective. Respond to any inquiries they might have with all the requested information. Once you've submitted everything, it's time to wait for Amazon to review your case. If your explanation and the documents you provided are satisfactory, they might lift the hold on your account. If, however, you don't hear back within a few days, it's a good idea to follow up. When following up, be polite and reference your case or ticket number to help speed along the process. I hope this guide helps you navigate the situation and get your Amazon account back in good standing. Thanks for watching, and good luck.